Hello there, you amazing people. In this particular video, we will be learning that how can we enter text, numeric and date values inside my Excel worksheet. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first of all, I have opened up a blank worksheet. Now I'm going to enter the title of this particular worksheet. So let us suppose that I am creating a worksheet that stores my monthly budget. So I'm going to write here, give my title as monthly budget. Now I'm going to list down the different areas of my life where my budget is split. So I can write here housing and food and dining, and then I can also spend my money on transportation, pet care if I have a pet, and also on education and on donation. Because I'm a nice person, I also give donation. I'm going to rename the last cell as total. On this side, I'm going to write the month's name. So I'm going to write here Jan, press tab, then Feb, again press tab, then I'm going to write here March. So this is how I can enter my text values inside my Excel worksheet. Now I'm going to be entering my numeric values. So let us suppose that on January my housing cost was around 1000. Obviously this is a random number. On Feb again it was 1000, and on March again it was 1000. For food and dining on January I spent about 500 rupees, and suppose on March I took my girlfriend out. So for March my cost was, the money that I spent was 600. Now on transportation, let us suppose I spent 100 on January and about 150 on February and 200 on March. For pet care and 250 and 200 again. For education, I spent 2000 rupees, again 2000 rupees, and again again 3000 rupees. For donation, I spent about 100 rupees on January and again 100 rupees on Feb. And because my education cost was little higher on March, so let us suppose I spent 50 rupees on donation. So this is how you can enter numeric values. Now you can see that there's a difference between the text values and the numeric values. My text values are left aligned. That is, my text values are aligned towards the left hand side, and my numeric values are aligned towards the right hand side. The difference is that the text is aligned on the left hand side and my numeric values are aligned on the right hand side. So the reason behind this is that it makes the data that is present inside our cells much cleaner look. It gives the data that is presented through my Excel sheet a much cleaner and a better interface. Now if I enter floating point, or if I enter my values as decimal, so suppose 1000 this and 500.03, and this can be 0.02. So here you can also see that my decimal points lie on a straight line. That is, this point and this point and this point lie in a vertically straight line. But what will happen if I align my numeric text towards the left? So for example, I select all these cells and I make them to, and I ensure that they are left aligned by clicking here. Here you can see that when it was right aligned, my values that were present inside my cells were giving a much cleaner look. But now even my decimal points are not vertically aligned and my text is also not aligned. So it is better to keep it on the right hand side. So this is how you enter the numeric values. Now let us deal with some date values. So this year is 2023. So let me write here January 2023. And then I'm going to press enter. Okay. So my 202, so my two digits are gone. I had written here 2023, but in the output it is showing to be January 23. So let us again do this for Feb. So I'm going to press here hyphen, and again I'm going to write here 2023 because this is 2023. But again, my output is going to be Feb 23. And for March also, if I do the same, again I'm going to be getting the same result. So this is because, so this is happening because of some default settings. Now I'm going to change that. So in order to do that, I'm going to select all these cells and I'm going to go towards my home tab. I'm going to the number section here. Then I'm going to change this to more formats. So here, these are the possible by default date time values that are given, but I am not going to be using any of these. Click on custom and then right here, my type is going to be, I want 3 characters of month, that is Jan, Jan, so MMM, and hyphen, and I want my year to be appearing as, I want my year to appear as 2023, that's 2023, and not just 2-digit number 23. So I'm going to write here y 4 times y. Hit OK, and you can see that my years are again appearing. So this is how you can deal with date values. Again, you can see that my date values are right aligned. It is because my Excel considers my date values kind of numeric values, and because numeric values are right aligned, therefore my date values are also right aligned. So this is how you can enter your date, numeric and text values. In the next video, we are going to be learning what is cell reference and how can we create our basic formulas in order to do these calculation, these totaling. So we will meet in our next video. Until then, bye bye.